Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out Moomoo. Right now you can earn an 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash by using my link in the description below. You could also get up to 30 free stocks right now. Keep in mind, terms and conditions do apply, so go ahead and check out Moomoo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. So I'll put a link to the Discord in the description below as well. Now let's get right into today's video. So today I want to talk about how to practice trading options on Robinhood. In other words, how to paper trade on Robinhood and not actually risk real money until you're ready to trade with real money. So this is a feature I feel a lot of Robinhood users aren't aware of. So I want to cover this here today. So let's take a look at how we can do this. So for today's video, I'm going to be using this stock right here, Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM, to show you guys this feature. Keep in mind, everything I'm showing you here today is just an example. Now, it doesn't matter if we want to buy a call, buy a put, sell a call, or sell a put. Here we can practice any of these. So for today's video though, let's just say we wanted to practice buying call options on this stock right here. So how do we do that? So the first thing we want to do is we want to go into the options for the stock that we want to practice trading options on. So let's go into the options here for CRM. So here we are in the options for this particular stock. Now the next step here is you want to go ahead and whatever it is you want to do, remember, you can buy calls, you can buy puts, you can sell calls, you can sell puts, but make sure that you're selecting the right strategy here. So right now I'm on buy and I'm on calls. So this is if I wanted to buy calls, which is what I want to do here today. But again, you can also practice buying puts, or you can practice selling calls or selling puts. So make sure you select the correct strategy here. Again, for today's video, let's say we want to practice buying call options. So I'm on buy and I'm on calls here. Next, of course, you'd select an appropriate expiration date. Again, remember, the theory here is you want to practice trading options. So the expiration date is a very key thing to choose when you're trading options. So you would select the appropriate expiration date here. Let's just say I want to select March 7th here. Next, we'd want to select our strike price here for the option. So if you take a look here at the first column, you'll see that the first column says strike price. So you select the option with the appropriate strike price here, whatever it is that you want to practice on. So let's just say I want to practice buying the call option at the 340 strike here, expiring on March 7th, which is 26 days away from expiration. Now, very important here, do not actually select the option. What do I mean by that? Do not click here, select, and then go through here. This is how you actually buy the call option. So you would be risking real money if you do that there. So don't do that. Instead, if we go back here, let's go ahead and clear this. What we want to do instead, so we want to click on the option here that we want to practice on. So let's say this is the option here at the 340 strike. So what we actually want to do then is click on this option here. And notice that when you click, it expands here and it shows you a lot of different important details here. But what we want to click on, notice on the bottom left, there is an option that says add to watch list. We want to go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, down here you'll get a message that says that this particular call option was added to the watch list. And then on the far right, there is something that says view watch list. So we can go ahead and click on that here, view watch list, and it's going to take us to our options watch list. That's what this feature is called on Robinhood. And so any option that you're practicing on is going to show up here. And so here is actually the option that we just selected that we're trying to practice on. So here from the list, you want to go ahead and select the relevant option. Again, for us, it's this one here, the call option on CRM at the 340 strike. Notice, right, that this is buying a call option under position. We have our expiration date here, the current price of the option, and the price change. But we can click on it here, and it's going to take us to this screen right here. Now, there's a lot of great things that we can actually see on this screen here. So one great thing about this is we can see the historical price of this option. So you can see when it was listed on, this was listed on January 23rd of 2025. And we can see since then how this option has performed every single day here. So that might be very useful here. You can actually track the historical price of the option here. And then if we scroll down here, right, the most important part of this is we can track how this option has performed since we added it to our options watch list. So that's how we can paper trade here. We can track how this has performed. So if we take a look on the right here first, we can see the expiration date of this particular option. We can see what the cost of the option was when we added it to our options watch list. So for this particular example, 1053. Below that, we see what our break-even price is for the option. Below that, we can see how many contracts we have. And then below that, we can also see what date we added this option to our options watch list here. And then on the left, we can actually track how it has performed so far. So you can see what the current price of it is, what the current price of the underlying stock is, and then more importantly, you can see what the return is for the day and what our total return is here as well. Now, since the market is closed, it's going to show 0 here because I just added it. Nothing has happened since. But here we can go ahead and track how this option has performed since we added it to our watch list. Now, another great thing about this here is that we can also simulate our returns from this screen. So notice below here, there's this button that says simulate my returns. So if we actually click on this, we can use this simulator to kind of predict how much money we might make depending on the share price and depending on the date. So let's say CRM goes up to, let's say, 335, for example. So here, if I take a look, this is telling me that on February 15th at 12 a.m., which is 20 days from the expiration, if CRM is up to, looks like I selected 334.90, according to this, my simulated return would be a $157 gain. So that's pretty cool. So from here, we can go ahead and simulate our returns and use this other feature, which is pretty useful as well. Now, the last thing that's really great about this screen right here is, let's say you're practicing and you've been practicing for a while, and maybe one of the options that you're practicing on, maybe you look at it and you decide you actually want to trade it and risk real money. Well, what's great is you can do that immediately from here. If you look at the side here, it actually already has this particular option selected for you. So it's already selected the call option on CRM at the 340 strike, which expires on March 7th. So all I need to do here from the side here, notice it's saying buy to open, right? That means buying a call option. And here I can select how many contracts I want, my limit price, and then I can go ahead and immediately place the trade from here. So once you're actually ready to risk real money and you've been practicing, and one of the trades that you're practicing on, you actually want to go ahead and trade it with real money, you can come in here and do it from the side very quickly. And like I mentioned, you can do this with not just buying calls, but you can also do this with buying puts, selling calls, or selling puts. So this is how we can practice trading options on Robinhood, or in other words, paper trading on Robinhood. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Check out the Discord, link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time.